Okay, now let's get into dumping your tanks. So when you dump your tanks, you always want to dump the black tank first. What is the black tank? The black tank's from your toilet. That's the nasty stuff, okay? We're gonna dump that tank first, let it dump all the way out, and then we're gonna close those valves, and then we're gonna open the gray tank. The gray water is residue from your shower and your sink. So it's gonna be your soapy residue. That's gonna flush out the rest of the system to keep the stink down, okay? So come down here, and we're gonna show you there's two valves. You have a black valve and a gray valve. That's pretty easy, right? So you're gonna pull that gray valve.
Black.
Yep. You're gonna pull that not gray valve, the black valve, and you're gonna open her up, just like that. As you can hear, there's nothing going on. Well, this RV is equipped with a secondary valve. I learned this the hard way, over here. And what you're gonna wanna do, come here, there's another black handle right here. Surprise, right here. You're gonna pull that, and there she goes. And you're gonna let that dump out, and then I'm laughing because I don't have any gray water in here and it's gonna be messy, but that's fine.